Okay, so that was the functionalities what Discord bot can do. Now, Discord bot, as we say, uses the OAuth API of Discord. Okay, so if you want to use something, there's always an API out there. So there's an OAuth API for Discord bots that we are gonna use. Okay, but we're gonna use a wrapper for it. Okay, because we don't want to call the API manually and do things. So for that, we're gonna use a wrapper. So a wrapper is actually a code, maybe a lang. It is a language specific. First of all, a wrapper is a language specific. Uh, yeah, it's a language specific thing. Okay, and for example, Discord's API, if you want to do things in JavaScript, you have Discord JS. If you want to do things in Python, there's called Discord Py. And for every other language out there, there's a wrapper available to do things. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna use Discord JS today. uh, the reason why I'm using Discord JS is the documentation, and the way they have written the documentation is very friendly once you get how to read the documentation, because they have a particular way of writing the documentation. And second of all, they have a great community. Like they have a community on Discord itself, where if you have any question, you can ask in one of those channels, and they'll respond as fast as they can. Like sometimes I got the answers in like 10 seconds or something when you're really struck somewhere. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Okay. So I would like you guys to just open this link. I'll share this in chat. This is the official wrapper for Discord JS, and you'll find the documentation there itself. Just go into documentation tab, top right corner, and you'll see the documentation. Just open this or maybe pin this in your browser somewhere, because you'll need it a lot to make a Discord bot. Second of all, yeah. So let me talk about the bot we're gonna make. Okay, this is gonna be a very simple bot. Okay, and if you see the code, it's like 10 minutes to make this. I don't know, not more than 10 minutes too, because it's very easy. So let me do one thing. I'll just share my screen. Uh, okay, I have to. Hmm. Yep. Share application. Repellent. Yep. Okay. So we're also gonna use Repellent, and Repellent is actually an online IDE. So you guys don't have to open your VS Code or something. Maybe you guys are using any other ID. That's okay. That's why I've kept a single ID which all of us can use online. So we're gonna use Repellent, and yeah, just a second. Rahul, can you give me a heads up if my screen is visible? The Repellent screen. Okay, cool, cool. Thank you, chat. Okay, so as you can see, this is the code we're gonna do, and it's very easy. Okay, we just gonna declare a file called bot.js. Okay, but before that, let's go to Repellent first of all. I have already logged into Repellent, but if you're logging in for the first time, you'll be asked for making an account. Okay. So basically, what you have to do is just create a Node.js application here. Just click on this. Okay. And name something very cool. Okay. And create the REPL. Just a second. I'll send someone the link. Somebody's asking me for the link. Okay. So basically, you'll be given a field called index.js. Okay. And now you just have to, you can do just one thing. You can create one more file called bot.js. Okay. That's it. And then let's do one thing. Let's do npm init. Okay, so your package.json is created. Basically, package.json is used to uh, maintain all your dependencies, because there are a lot of dependencies which are used while making apps in Node.js. So yeah, so basically we're gonna use this thing. JS. We're gonna need this because this is our wrapper which we are gonna use for our app, for a Discord bot. Sorry, my bad. Okay, this will take like a few seconds. And see, it's added here in dependencies, discord.js. Now you just have to include discord.js. Okay, so this was like the first step on the Repellent. Let me just check if all of you are following me. Are you guys able to do this? Are there any questions? Cool, cool. Okay. Hmm. Okay, so basically now what we're gonna do is we're gonna just call discord.js into our repository. Okay, so basically just gonna declare uh, okay, so and like node does not have some of the ES6 new features of ES6, that is like import statements and some of them. So you have to use some of the ES5 features here, but I guess that's okay. So, okay, so basically we have just invoked Discord here, and let me just do one thing, because this is a library. We're just gonna do this, and now we're gonna invoke all the functions that we're gonna use for this application. So for this application, uh, wait a second. I'll just shift all the documentation here so that you guys can see. Okay, so for this application, we're gonna use the class called client. Okay, so client is actually a Discord bot. It's not the user. Okay, just understand this. I had a lot of doubts when I started using Discord.js. Client is the bot. Okay, just yeah, that's all. So we're gonna use this client functionality in our JS file, basically. So that is you can name it anything. Like for example, you can even name it bot, I sometimes name it client because it's easier for me. Okay. I guess new. Oh, 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 oh. New Discord dot client. Okay, so basically this is your Discord client. We are calling the new here because we are actually instantiating one of the objects from our class. Okay, so basically these are all the classes and we are instantiating it here with the help of new. So this is our new client called bot. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna use a prefix. So as you guys know, there's always a prefix for all Discord bots, right? So some has exclamation, some has hash, or some has at the rate, right? So you can keep your custom prefix here. So let me just keep something very unique. Hmm, let's do this. Okay. So this is my prefix. And now, just let me show you guys what this bot does is. So if you write hash, okay, if you write hash on Discord after this bot is online, the bot will give you an answer like at the rate whatever the user is. For example, my username is Nimit, comma, and world. This is the answer that bot is gonna give to you if you write this command on Discord. Okay, I'll just show you the functioning of this bot. I'll just run it once. Meanwhile, do we have any questions? Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. I have to do it right now, but this is, I'll reset the API key. Yep. So as you can see, my bot is online. I'll just share my that screen. Just a second. Okay. Can someone in the chat give me a heads up if my Discord is visible? Okay, cool. So this is a bot testing server that I've made, and this is the bot I was talking about. This bot is online, and as soon as we do this, we get a message, a cute message from our bot that word. Okay, so my bot's name is Serious Black because actually I've used this bot for a different purpose, but I just wanted the API key. That's why I just took it from here. And yeah, so this is the basic functionality of this bot right now. But what we're gonna do is we gonna implement one more function if you guys want to. And yeah, let's do one thing. Let's make it here now. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So as Harsh said in chat that we don't have to expose our API keys. That is so true. I've been warned by Discord for like I guess no Discord no, GitHub twice that you have exposed your API key. Please don't do this. And I feel so dumb at that moment. Like, why I exposed my API key? But what can we do about that? So let's do one thing. So to like get your own API key because you'll need your own to make your own Discord bot. Obviously, you'll need your own API key. So I'll just give you the link so that you guys can get your own API key. Okay, developer, Discord developers. Yeah, yeah. So this is the place you have to go to get your API key. I'll just switch back to my browser so that you guys can also see how to get your own API key. Just go to uh, discord.com/developers. Okay, stop sharing. Hmm. Is my screen visible? I guess it is visible. Just give me an heads up. Okay, just it is visible. Thank you. Okay, so as I told you, Discord's API also has a function for making Discord applications, that is connecting your own application or your own game. For example, if you have made a game, okay, a super cool game in like C sharp, C++, or anything, and you want people to know uh, when you play that game, right? For example, I've made a game called Stars and Rabbit, okay, and I want when people play my game, I want people to show this on their status, okay. So for that, we can use Discord applications, and this API helps us to show the status too, okay. I'll just quickly show you. Okay, this is an application. We have to create an application first, okay. I'm not gonna create an application right now because yeah, I have two-factor authentication enabled, and I currently don't have my phone with me, but I do have the codes, but I don't want to show that to the chat. So yeah, you just click here on create a new application, okay, and yeah, just create a new application. After you create a new application, okay, you'll get an option to make a bot out of it. Okay. As I said, Discord application has a part called like Discord bot is a part of Discord application. Okay. So this is my project. Okay, let's do this. Lights out. This is an application I've made. Okay. And don't worry, anything is not exposing. This is just the client ID. You can even copy it from anywhere. So yeah. So here you'll get an option for making a bot out of this. Originally, you'll get here an option to create bot or something. Okay. So just create it, give a name. Okay. Give a good image. Okay. That's very important so that you can differentiate your bot. Okay. There's a small exercise that we're going to do at the end of this thing. That is, we're going to actually deploy your bots into a real server so that you can also use all the custom commands that you have made and yeah, ship it. So I'm just gonna share this Discord server's link that is called bot testing. So you guys can just join there and add your bots. Okay. So basically, you just have to get the token here. Okay. This is the most important thing. This token is gonna help you to deploy your not deploy, sorry, to actually connect your Discord bot to your Node.js application that is on the Repellent, or I guess VS Code in your case if you're using VS Code. I'll just quickly take a look at chat. Yeah. Okay, let's take a pause and I'll wait for the chat so that they register a Discord application and get a client like a secret, a bot secret for themselves. Here's the link. Meanwhile, Rahul, can you come here on the front stage? Oh yeah. I'll send the server link at the end so that everyone who has made a bot can deploy it. Hi Rahul, what's up? So chat, tell me, are you stuck somewhere? Do you want my help? I should roll back somewhere. I'll wait for you guys if the Discord invite. Yeah, sure, sure. I'll send a Discord invite in chat. Mm, okay, okay, cool. So just tell me, are you guys having the token yet? Or like I should wait? Just give me a heads up on that. Hmm, where is Rahul? Okay, a lot of emotions were there. Uh, okay, so I have some hearts, so I guess I can start. Okay, hi Rahul. So,
Hey, hey, so I'm just here if you need.
hi, hi, hi. Oh, you randomly spammed hearts. Thank you, Janvi, for spamming hearts. That's so nice of you. Uh, okay, let's do one thing. Let's start with the actual bot coding. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, okay, so JavaScript has a way of doing things. Okay, so here we called events, and this events send a trigger. That trigger is used to do an API call. Okay, so if you guys don't know what an API call is, an API call is actually using uh, some application, some code that someone else has written so that you can use his or her functionality. Okay. So basically, Discord has written some of its code through which you can send messages with a bot, like, and messages with a bot, do webhooks with a bot, etc. Okay. So for that, there are events. Okay. This trigger events are here. Okay. These are called events. So what these events do is as soon as one of these is done, a trigger is being made, like the function is started. Okay, I'll just show you what I'm telling. So for example, this is one of the events that is ready. If our bot is ready, okay, this is actually an event. Okay, you can see it here. See, you can see ready event. So as soon as our bot is ready, okay, this will send a function. Okay, this function can be anything. Okay, whatever you want to do as soon as the bot is ready. Okay, so whatever I want to do as soon as my bot is ready is here. That is, I want to send the number of people that are there, that are like moderated by my bot, and the number of servers that my bot is in. Okay, so my bot is in, as you can see here, my bot is online in 3 servers with 118 users. Okay, so this is the data that it's giving out. Okay, this I've kept here so that I also know my bot is online. And there's one more trigger message, that is one more event that is called message. You can also see it here. Okay. So as soon as someone sends a message, for example, I sent a message on one of the Discord excuse me, one of the Discord servers. Okay. So this message has a callback function. Okay. There's a callback function. Okay. Okay. It gives a callback, and the message has a lot of things. Okay, I'll just show you what things are there. Okay, these are all the things that a message contains. Activity, which application used, if a message has attachments, who was the author of the message, which channel is the message sent in, etc., etc. Okay, who was the client of the message? Okay, this all things are sent here. Okay, in here. And now we are just extracting what the message content was. Okay, so for example, if the message starts with this prefix, okay, for example, I am the one who is texting in a Discord server, and want to call my bot, and I start with this prefix. This After this the function will run. Okay, so yeah, so for example, if the message doesn't start, that is exclamation mark basically, like not starting the message content with this prefix, it will just return. It won't do anything. It will just ignore your message. But if your message starts with hash, then this will be executed. That is message.content on slice prefix.length. Okay. So basically, what it will do is your content would be sliced by the length of your message. For example, the length of your message is 1. So your message would be divided by 1. Okay, that's all. It's basic slicing, that's all. And if the command, okay, this and that command, whatever is after the hash, it will be stored here in command. Okay. And if that command is equal to hello, then the message, then the bot will reply with message.reply, and the reply would be world. Okay. So there are two ways basically to send messages on Discord. One way is message.reply, and the second way is message.channel.send. Uh, what up? Okay, I'll just show you how to do that. Okay. Okay. So see, now the bot has not replied me. It has just sent a normal message to me. Okay. So this is how you send messages on Discord with the help of a bot. And you can explore the documentation to know more about the Discord bot, like the functionalities that we can use with Discord bot. And let's implement this. Okay, so basically we'll write the same code actually. uh, Bot dot on ready. If our Discord bot is ready, it will give a callback function. This callback function will be okay. So this was one thing. Then if you want to tap the activity for a message, we'll do this. Okay, so basically, uh, if message dot content, we can do this too, but that one is preferable. Uh, this one, this one is preferable when you have a lot of commands. We just have one command here right now. So what we can do is Okay, for example, if this is the content of the message, okay, so the bot would should reply with something like message dot send, message dot channel dot send. Okay, now we just have to enter this thing, the bot dot login, so that our bot is and this Node.js application is connected to this bot. I'll change all the keys afterwards. So I guess that's cool. I'll also show you how to hide your keys. Let's do one thing. Let's just use this because I'm gonna delete this anyways. Okay, so that's it. Your code is done. Give me a heads up, those who are following me. Okay, I'm getting a lot of bulbs.
If anyone's facing any problems, please do put them in the chat so we can address them.
Hmm. Okay, can we see all the attendees? Yeah, I'll just wait for like 2 minutes so that everyone uh, gets to the page that I am. Chat, chat, chat. Okay, let's just do one thing. I'll just end this one and we'll see if our code is running. Okay, so it's online. See, as you can see here. Hmm, let's try. Command hello. Okay. And yeah, it's running. So it was a simple thing that we made here right now. Okay. So now just tell me who all have done this, like have completed making this basic thing so that we can start, or like I can start to explain. So that I can start to explain the best ways to use Discord JS and how to read its documentation. Just give me a heads up who all are following with me, or like anything. You can ask anything about JavaScript, what is callback function, or what are we doing here. Yeah,
So I hope everyone is following so far.
yeah.
We will be addressing
Okay.
questions after the end of the session too. So please do let us know.
Are we getting any questions in the question channel, Rahul?
Nothing so far, Nimit. I will be addressing those questions to you, and I hope the chat also knows that if they have any questions, they can drop them in the question channel.
Yeah.
So please feel free
Uh,
to ask any questions that you guys have.
yeah. Hmm. Okay, let's move forward. I'll just else so you can see me brightly. I'll just open this. Okay, let's do one thing. Okay, this was a bit about how to make your first Discord bot. Okay, and if you still want like a documentation or small article for this, I'll provide you that too. Okay, so there are a lot of workshops available on Hack Club, and this was one of those workshops. So if you want to make more such bots or more such applications, you can go to this website. I'll just share it. Where do I share it? Chat. Yeah, chat. I've sent it. You can see all the workshops that are available. Every workshop you see is you can complete it under like 20 minutes or 30 minutes. It's very easy. So it has a lot of things too, like MLAI, bots, web apps, etc. So yeah, just take a look. So here we have made the Discord bot. Yeah, it's called the Hello bot, and I'll send the link for this too. So if you guys want like an explanation about like a bit more explanation about this thing, you can go there. I'll just do one thing and copy here. Okay, you can see the whole article here. It describes a lot of things. It also has a good tip at the end. Like there are three packages that you can use to speed up your bot. So yeah, use that too. And okay, let's talk about Discord.js and its documentation. This npm package is just wonderful, and the way they have written the documentation is very particular. And once you know how to read this documentation, you can do wonders with Discord bot. Okay, so I'll just give you a brief description how this works. Okay, so not a lot of documentations follow this because every documentation has its own uh, users and different needs. Discord.js has this. Okay, so first you can see all the general things, the welcome page and stuff, which will help you to install. And so what they have done is they've made a bunch of base classes. Okay, like activity, base class, base client, then activity flags, API messages. Okay, and then they have extended these classes here downstairs. For example, uh, let me go to one of these classes which is extended. Okay, so this guild preview class has been extended by the base class. Okay, so let me see. Okay, for example, if you want to send an invite to someone, so what you'll do, you'll simply just search here invite. Okay, now it has three properties, three columns actually. First one is properties, second one is methods, and the third one is called events. Okay, events is not present in all of them, but some of them would have the events section too. Okay, so events section is basically used to trigger events in your application. For example, we saw right now. For example, message is an trigger point. Okay. For example, you message something, and if you want the bot to react to that message, you will use that event for that. Okay. So the client class has the events category or the column which you can use. Okay, then there's something called methods. Okay, this method is used to do something with that class. Okay, so these methods are defined itself in the class. That is maybe destroy the client. Okay, or maybe fetch guild preview if you want to know more about the guild. Fetch invites, Then if you want the bot to log in, then you will use this login like functions. These are all the pre-built functions that are available in Discord's library that you can use directly. Okay, and some interesting functions. Okay, then this is properties. Okay, so this properties actually all the properties that you see are read only. Okay, you can't change it or do anything with it because properties are something which are hard coded on their servers to know more about the bot. For example, channel. Our client is actually the bot. Okay, so it will give you which channel the message came from, or maybe what are the emojis that are available on that server. Okay, or maybe what was the token of that bot. Okay, and who are the users who are gonna use the bot. Okay, it will give all of this to you. Okay, then let me dive deep. Okay, so if you want to do something with the server, okay, maybe add a member, or maybe edit something on the server, maybe edit server name, maybe edit server region or something like that. You can go into guild. Okay, and guild is also extended here, like get audit logs, get emoji, etc. It is extended there. Okay, so it has a bunch of functionalities there too. So basically, if you want to set an icon, set name for the server, set an owner. If you're the owner right now and if you want someone else to be the owner, okay, you can use this function here. Then there are properties. If you want to know more about the server, okay, here guild means the server the bot is logged on to. For example, if I invite the bot to my server, it will show information about my server. Okay, and let me see. Yeah, what are the roles available on the server? Okay, and you would be wondering how to use these things. Okay, so basically you just have to call them. Okay, just like we called this, just like we called message.channel.send. Okay, we can just directly call, for example, here it is guild.roles. So it will give you the roles that are available in that guild. Okay, then are there any questions that I should see?
There are currently no questions on the chat, but the audience are welcome to post any questions that they have right now. Any doubts at all? Don't worry if it's
Discord bots without using Discord. Yeah, we can't. Okay, we how to integrate Discord, integrate a Discord bot to our web app without actually using Discord server. Oh, okay, you answered someone's question. How to integrate a Discord bot to our web? Can we use Discord bot to boost the audio quality somehow without boosting the server? Okay, so the answer is no. Audio quality is something which is based on Discord application in general and not the Discord bot. And you can boost Discord bots audio quality though. There are some features out there. There are some libraries actually out there which will help you for that. Wait, just a second. I'll give you those libraries if I have them here. Yeah, so these libraries will help you to speed up the development, actually the speed of your Discord bot. Okay, and how to integrate a Discord bot to
I
our app
I
without having Discord.
I
So we
hope that
cannot.
answers your question. And Swati Lekha too.
Yeah. Okay. Uh, Vibhav Asthana. Does that answer your question about? boosting the server with audio quality. Okay, there's one more question, how to integrate.
Right.
Okay, we can't actually integrate Discord bots to our web app, but we can get information from web apps to our Discord bot, to a Discord server or somewhere. Yeah, just a second. Where was the question thinking? Yeah, so we can use the data from our website and post the same data on our Discord application, but we cannot make a Discord bot for a web app. We can create webhooks if you want to post something. For example, you have a blogging website, right? And if you are posting something there and you want the similar content to be posted on Discord, okay, we can use webhooks for that and connect your website to Discord. So that's one way to address this question. Swati Lekha, does that answer your question?
So yeah, Nimit, I think those are the questions for now.
Yeah.
Let's look at the chat. Yep, I think they've got their questions answers,
Cool,
sufficient
cool, cool.
answers for these questions.
Yeah. Okay. So let's do one thing. We still have half an hour, and I want to know if you guys have made the Discord bot, and if you have made and you want to test them, how can we test them? Okay. So basically, what you have to do is, uh, you just have to go here. You have to go into the OAuth 2 tab. Okay. And in OAuth 2 tab, you will find something called scopes, and just click on bot. That's all. Copy this thing. Okay. Paste it in your browser. Okay. Enter, and it will give you an option to add your bot in these servers, whichever servers admin you are. Okay, excuse me. So okay, let me see if, yeah, okay, serious black is not there. So I'll just add it in aspects, which is one of the group. So it was added in aspects. Can I open Discord here? Can, but I don't know if I've logged in here or not. Okay, I'm not logged in here. Okay, wait, but this is थोड़ा सा dangerous. Oh, it's not. Yeah. So yeah, as you can see, this is Aztecs, and the bot is now here. It was not here before, and yeah, that's how you add Discord bot to a server. So I'll be sending this link that I've made, okay, so that you guys can join this server and upload your own bots. As soon as you enter, I'll give you admin forms so that you can add your bot. Chat. Welcome, Harsh. Like you can even explore your own creativity, make custom commands of yours, like if you want to explore and use it here. Just make sure you have a different prefix so that all prefixes don't merge along. Yeah, yeah. I'll be waiting so that people would join the server. Okay, Varshil has slided in. Hi, Varshil. Hi, Abhibhav. Hi, Ace. Hi Harish. Hi Rahul. Hi Orko. Just be online. Okay. Oh, okay. Some of you were offline. That's why I couldn't see. Hey Harish, I added Maipa here. Huge shout out to that bot.
That's so sweet of you, Nivit.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. I was just thinking, let me test it here and then I'll implement it in Hack Club or somewhere. Just a second. I'll just join.
Okay, okay. Actually, I was planning to, you know, nice it up a bit before publishing it or making it official. That was just hack. Okay, I'm leaving the space
Yeah.
to you.
So, do you think your bot is like we can even use it for communities and
Yeah,
things?
yeah, exactly. That's the intended target audience, actually. Actual
Yeah,
community managers like us. People who live on Discord, basically.
exactly. You know, the first application I open when I start my laptop is Discord. It's Discord, Twitter, LinkedIn, my messages, my mails, and Instagram.
Quite the socializer.
Yeah,
Not
I'm a
WhatsApp, actually?
socializer. Yeah, I don't use WhatsApp. Um,
Oh,
there's a very sad reason behind it, which I don't want to discuss it.
wow. I'll just clap my.
Okay. Yeah. If Fenil, are you active on 100 community servers? Wow. Fenil is a big extrovert. Okay. You can talk to him for like 5 hours and then you have to disconnect yourself because he won't disconnect himself. Okay. I guess people are added. Just making sure I'm not missing anyone and everyone has. Yeah, yeah. You know this? Okay, okay. I'll tell you. This fuzzy bones thing now, it actually gives you your Valorant rankings by the unofficial API which is being released. There's an unofficial API available on GitHub, okay, which I found out by some ways, okay, and actually it's scraping data from somewhere, and this bot uses that API and calls for your data, but currently that API is not working. That's why you can't see your ranks and stuff. But yeah, then acha, what you guys can do is wait. You can use this thing. This is Fuzzy Bones actually doing things, and just add your username to it, and it will show your GitHub profiles. So this is the command for that. If you just want to explore what a Discord bot can do, you can try this out. So basically, this is using the GitHub's API here and showing your data, showing your public data. So no private data is being revealed. So as you can see, Habiba also did that. Yeah. Uh, oh, nice TP, Rahul. Well, this is you, right? Yeah,
Yeah, that's me. Thanks.
yeah. A nice JP. So you have 8 repos, one following, 2 followers. Nice. Obito sir is here. I'll just give him the forms. Yeah. So basically, this is you can even integrate uh, any node application which in general you make. Okay, you can implement the same application on Discord bot. Okay, the own I mean, if you're taking data from some API, okay, you can implement the same APIs on Discord bot too. You can take data from those APIs on Discord bot too. Okay, so for example, if you're scraping data from Twitter, Reddit, or anywhere, okay, you can use this bot. You can use Discord bots to send that data on a particular channel. Okay, even you can use Discord bots in your DMs if you want. If you don't want to spam servers, you can even spam Discord bots. Like here you can see uh, fuzzy bones. Okay, you can even test your commands here too. See, here you can test your commands. So this was the Valorant API I was talking about. This Valorant API gives you your rank, KD, deaths, skills, matches played, etc., etc. So you can even spam the bot here too. You don't have to go into a specific server to do that. Yeah, Obito has a good DP here. Yeah, the val stats thing is not working right now. I also tried it like a few days ago and it was showing some error because the API is not responding properly. Meanwhile, are there any questions on the chat? Yeah, Obito wanted to flex. Obito is gold 3, guys. Shout out. Yeah, gold 2, gold 3 or gold 2. Okay, somewhere between there. I don't know. Here, gold 3, sir. Please. Please, sir. Accepted. Okay, so do we have any questions in the chat? Or I should start flexing my projects.
Now, no questions so far, I believe, on the question section. So I think you can start showing off your projects, amazing projects that you've come up with, Nimal.
Yeah, sure, sure,
We're
sure.
excited to see what you come up with.
Let's do that. Okay, chalo. I'll just do one thing. I'll share the whole screen. Okay, because I've shifted my desktop. Can you see my desktop? Rahul,
Yeah,
just
we
give me a
can.
heads up.
Yeah, we can.
Okay, okay, cool. That's cool. Okay, so I use Visual Studio a lot. That's why I've made Discord boards and Discord boards in Visual Studio. So okay, so this is the real serious black bot that I was talking about. I'll just cancel the application which was running on cloud. Okay, also the reason why we are using Repellent is because you can host your bot actually on cloud and you don't have to locally run it. So that's why we were using this. And just let me see if my bot is inactive so that I can use it here. Okay, my bot is inactive as you can see here. I'll just locally start the bot. Run dev, 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 what? I have to see what is the custom command active. Dev, dev. So basically, I'm just using nodemon here. so that I can code and refresh the code. If like I don't have to cancel the process again and again as I was doing on rebel.it. Let me see if my bot is online. Okay, my bot is online and it is casting spells. Okay. Uh, wait. I don't remember the prefix for my bot. Prefix HP help. Okay, so these are the list of commands that my bot does. HP HP exclamation is the prefix. Okay, and yeah, then we have obliviate. What obliviate does is HP obliviate 10. I hope the spelling is right. Yeah, the spelling was right. Enter number to delete messages. Okay, wait. HP. Oh, nice. You've started a duel with me. Okay, so you had to actually see all the spells first to start a duel. Wait. I know everything. Okay. So, okay, we actually have to see the spell name. Okay, see, these are all the spells that are available. Okay, so as you started the battle, you have to use one of the spells first, and to use the spell, you have to do HP. I don't remember how to use the spell. HP something. HP cast spell. HP. This obviously Sectum Sempra was an evil spell, I guess. That's why I've not kept it. Or I don't know, I've kept it. No, I've not kept it. Uh, Cast spell and cast spell or what? It's just cast. It's something like this, Obito. See, cast spell space the spell name, and then the spell will start. Yeah. Are you spelling right? Rectum sempra. I don't know why it's not functioning. R capital or something. It's not your chance. Okay, it's my chance. Wait. Control C. HP spell cast spell. Sorry, cast spell periculum. See Obito. Okay. Obito just short rectum sempra on me. So yeah, this is what the bot does. Now I would like request you guys to also add your bot that you have made. Uh, Hi Abhijit, what's up? Welcome to the chat. Not your chance. Petra. Okay. So that's what my bot does, and a lot of things actually too. That is, it's using Perspective API too, which is used to clean. Basically, it is used to reduce toxicity on social media platforms, and I thought to make one for Discord too, because as communities grow, Discord servers also get toxic sometimes. So if you like write something very toxic, the bot will delete that message. Yes, sir. It's not your chance. Wait, I have to defeat you for that, or maybe you have to defeat me for that. 372. Okay, so you still have 20 points left. Now it's your chance. Um, do we have any questions? No, we don't. Okay, so let me just give you very cool Discord server links, which are very helpful when you're making a Discord server, Discord bot. Sorry, these communities are really helpful. So I'll just spam this in chat. Okay. Bye, Fennel. Then this is one, and the other one is DJS. Okay. Why can't I invite people? Wow. Can't invite people? That rude. Okay, I'll send you the invite link for this too. It's here actually. Hmm. Yeah, it's here. I'll just send this invite link in the chat. So, oh yeah, thank you, Harish. Uh, so I'll tell you about the communities. Uh, in Discord API, this server, you'll get all the communities. For example, Discord JS, Java Discord, all the wrappers that are available for Discord API, you'll get it here. And if you want to make some Discord bot in some other language, for example, Discord Py or something like that, you can go here and check out the communities. I use this one, Discord JS. Okay, yeah. So I hang out here a lot. Like these people are really friendly. And then there's one more community called Discord JS, which is actually just focusing on Discord JS and everything around it. So here you can see these two channels, which will help you. This people are very active, and this they'll answer you like in 10 seconds or 30 seconds, 10 to 30 seconds. So yeah, these two channels you can use. And okay, I'd like to talk about one package in general. We have like 5 minutes more remaining.
And just a small announcement for all the hackers who are here. Please do collect your brownie points by filling up this type form. I will be sending in a short while with the today's scoop for attendance. Thank you.
Okay, I've sent a link in chat. This particular npm package is used to hide your Discord tokens so that it won't be exposed to the client side and people can't see it. Just like this, just something like this I did here. So what you can do is you can use this package, okay, by just importing this package here, and then you can create a .env file. Okay, in that .env file you just have to keep your Discord token. Okay, this is some other tokens, and you can use env dash underscore sample to let people know how to put tokens here. Okay, so this is a sample file and this is the real file from where this Discord token is being exported here. as you can see, process.env.bjs token, the variable name which we have given here. So you can use this wonderful package to create your own secret token and keep it secret. Yeah. So that was it for it.